Hi guys, really happy to have you here with me today. It's a fantastic day in Switzerland. The sun is shining, the birds are chirping, and the market dumped around 15%. But yeah, in these times one learns to become stoic, but I do realize I've gotten an increased number of gray hairs over the last 2 years. I'm sure many of you are aware that in about a day, the Bitcoin halving is going to happen. Now, many might still be surprised that the dump has happened like a day before the Bitcoin halving. Many people would expect it to happen either on the same day or a little bit afterwards, but maybe because everyone's got this expectation that the price should go up, should skyrocket to maybe 12,000 or 30,000 on the day of the halving, that the price dumps beforehand. But I think it's still important to realize that even if you just bought recently, keep calm and don't look at your portfolio, maybe buy at lower prices to average the price down a little bit, but just stay calm. Now I think you should watch my profit taking video there. I talk about the 2-year moving average and the 2-year moving average times 5, and in that video I cover the areas which are very interesting to buy, and that's a green shaded area, and that's below 225 US dollars. So released a new Skillshare course, complete guide to buying Bitcoin on Kraken. If you're new to Bitcoin and the whole cryptocurrency space, then you might find this course valuable, because that will help you buy and sell Bitcoin on Kraken. So I'm currently working on a validator client installation guide for the Topaz testnet. I'm sure everyone that is interested in becoming a validator on the Ethereum 2.0 blockchain is going to find that valuable. It's super easy. It's a lot easier than my last video that I made. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be released sometime next week. I also wanted to know if you're interested in me sharing my profit or loss on token sets. So I bought a few ERC20 token sets, trading strategies. I made a token set video a while ago. Basically, it's an ERC20 token that acts as a trading strategy, and the one that I've got is a 20-day moving average yield set. That means when the price goes under the 20-day moving average, the wrapped ETH gets sold for compounded USDC. And yeah, if you're interested in knowing how much profit I actually made from that, and I bought it around 2 months ago, and just yesterday the token set just rebalanced. That means the wrapped ETH was sold for compounded USDC. So yeah, if you're interested in something like that, a video like that covering the profit or loss, write it down in the comments below. With that said, I wish you a fantastic day. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye bye.